Hey Glam Baddies, Frankie Fictitious here. Today I'm going to be showing you how I use this Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette to do this Glam Barbie showgirl look. Let's get dolled up. First I'm going to start with this pink color here. It's called Supreme. And I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelid. When I do my eyeshadow, I do like to wing it out to give me more of that cat eye effect. I am going to use one different color from another palette. It's going to be from the Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to use Tempera, and I always just like to do this to blend on top. Pink on. Next I'm going to go in with this color Pinker, and I'm just going to go right in my crease with this color to create some definition. Next I'm going to go in with Big Wig, and I'm just going to use this other end of the brush. And again, I'm following it out the little wing I made. It's okay if it's a little messy. We're going to go through and clean it up after. I'm just going to go back in with the other end of the brush and blend the purple and the pink together a little bit more. I'm going to go back in with the other end of my brush and dip into the pinker, and I'm going to go underneath my whole eye. I'm going to highlight the corner of my eyes right now. I'm going to use this fluffy little brush, and I'm going to go in with Solely. And I'm just going to pat it on there. And I'm also going to take this color and go underneath my arch of my eyebrow. Next I'm going to go in with my Sephora liquid liner, and I'm going to create my cat eye. I do have another tutorial on it if you want to go check out the rest of my videos on YouTube. I'll link it below. Now that my eyeliner's on, I'm going to go ahead and clean up the edge right here with my Huda Beauty concealer in Marshmallow. So I just go right under the line with the concealer. So this sharpens up my wing and it also cleans up my eyeshadow, so it's like a 2-for-1. And then just blend it down and blend it all in. And bam! So sharp. Next I'm just going to put some eyelash glue on my eyelashes just so they could get a little tacky before I actually put them on. Eyelash glue on, I'm just going to let these babies dry for a second. So you may have noticed I didn't go in with my normal concealer cut crease because today I'm going to be using this Heavy Metal by Urban Decay, and it is color Midnight Cowboy. And I'm just going to go right along where I would normally put my cut crease with this gold. So once you have it on, just make sure it dries before you really open up your eyes, because if it's not dry yet, it's going to create a really big line. My glue's looking tacky, so I'm going to go ahead and put my eyelashes on. So this is my look with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette. Thanks for tuning in, baddies. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more.